Miss Chandra here, bringing you our next weekly Sunday showcase. Today, it's all about soon-to-be second grader Stephanie. Stephanie's been working hard this summer with Dad's help to get all ready for second grade. Stephanie's been enjoying our phonics videos and is having a blast practicing her letter sounds, completing worksheets, and reading our alliteration stories. She wanted to share this worksheet with us because she loved the picture of the two girls sharing in class. Way to go, Stephanie! We love your worksheet, and we love even more your kind spirit and warm heart. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next week. Bye, friends!